Hello and welcome to another Silver Dynamics unboxing. Today I'll be unboxing the iPhone 4, not the 4S, the 4. This is the white edition. This is going to be my new phone. It is an upgrade from the T-Mobile Pulse, which I've been having for 2 years. So this is my first iOS device as well, so it should be interesting. So, trusty key. I can get it open. And the usual slide. So there it is, the iPhone 4. Feels about the same as my previous phone. This feels a tad lighter, but this definitely feels more sturdier. So put it to the side and use the flap. So designed by Apple in California, standard documentation. This is the SIM ejector, fingertips, and I believe iPhone stickers, Apple stickers, sorry. So put that back. And we have standard headphones. By the way, this is my first pair of Apple headphones. I have never owned a Apple mobile device of such, so iPod Touch, iPod, any of that. So this is actually my first Apple mobile device. The only Apple devices I have currently is my iMac and my MacBook, so it should be interesting. I should stay long. The dock connector and the standard UK plug, and that's all. So put that back in. And here's the iPhone. So see if we can switch this one. There you go, Apple logo. Looks like it's working fine. So thanks for watching, and see you later, guys.